Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Time. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna demonstrate how to connect Google Sheet with Microsoft Excel. Right over here, you can see I have some sale data for different electronic gadgets from 2022 to 2024 in billion US dollars. Now I'm going to connect this Google spreadsheet with Excel so that whatever changes are going to be made over here should be reflected in Excel sheet as well. So simply go over here and click on share. Let me give it a name. And from here, make sure that you have set it to anyone with the link. Now simply click on copy link. Done. Now open an Excel sheet, go to data tab, and here you see this option from the web. If you don't see this option right over here, go to get data from other sources, and here you can see this option exists from web. I'm going to click on from web, and I'm going to copy the URL that I have obtained from Google Sheet. Now here you have to make an important modification to this URL. Right from here, add it up to sharing, simply delete it and simply write export ? Format is equal XLSX. Now simply click on OK, and here we have our data right into Excel. Simply click on load and wait for the data to load, and there you go. Now if you are going to make any changes to the original document in Google Sheet, it would be reflected right over here. Let me show you. I'm going again into Google Sheet, and I'm going to sum this all sale data of 2022 up to 2024. So I would write is equal sum, press enter, and now simply drag it towards right, and there you go. Now go to your Excel sheet data and click on refresh all, and here you can see summary of all the data has been reflected. Now if you want your data to be dynamically reflected, if you are going to make any changes in Google Sheet, then simply click over here, go to refresh all, connection properties, and over here you can simply put in a value refresh every 60 seconds. I'm gonna write 2 minutes. And also you can check this refresh data when opening the file. Click on OK, and now you are good to go. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.